everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambika and this video is all about packing my laptop bag. So I got this very pretty laptop bag from Lifestyle. They're right now running this huge birthday month sale. But though this product was not on sale, but I found a couple of really cool products at very affordable and huge discounts. So you can also check the Lifestyle store that you have near your house. And also this video is not like a very dedicated video to what's in my laptop bag, but it's also a video wherein I will share what's going on in my life these days. So stay tuned, I'll be making more such videos, and without wasting further time, let's start packing. This is the laptop bag. I've already removed all the tags and packagings because I was so excited the moment I purchased it and I came back home. I was like, I need to put my stuff inside it and see how this bag looks and if it can actually fit all my laptop essentials inside it, and it pretty much did the good job. The best part about this bag is this trolley strap, or you can say the luggage strap. So yeah, this is perfect. This is the most important thing nowadays, and this is actually from the brand Van Heusen. So Van Heusen makes good bag and also formal wear. This bag also comes with this another attachment shoulder strap. Basically a lot of people like putting these shoulder straps. I don't like putting the shoulder straps, so I've not attached it, but you can also do that. It has this hook where you can place this buckle and you can attach your shoulder strap. And guys, it also has these 4 supporters in this bag, so if you put this bag on the floor it will not get dirty. So this is also a cool thing about this bag. And in the meanwhile, let me share a quick insider with you. So as you guys know, I'm running this Sassy Sari series episode on my channel, and I was filming a episode. So one of my follower mentioned in one of the episode that they want to see a lime green sari. So here I am. I was filming a episode in this very pretty cotton lime green sari, and I was trying to create this transition, and I broke my very cute mirror that I got from the store 99 years back. I was so sad about it. If you guys are not watching the series, please do watch that. It takes a lot of time to film one episode for you all. So this bag has this one compartment for putting the laptop, and it also has some more compartments. These are for cards, and this one another compartment, and this one more compartment, some pen holder kind of thing. So this is one chain where you can keep your important items. So yeah, this is how the bag is from inside. It has another chain right here, and you can also put your things inside it. Now let's just put the laptop inside it. So I have MacBook. The reason I purchased this pink bag is because of my laptop. It's in rose gold color, and I like MacBook because it's very easy to do the editings in MacBook, and also it's very lightweight, easy to carry. Though there were 2 more colors in this. One was black color I think, and the other one I don't really remember, so you can go for black color as well if that is your vibe. Then I have my mouse and my keyboard. This is from Logitech and I got it from Amazon, and look at this, so beautiful. It's also in pink color. So I mentioned the link of this keyboard and mouse set down below, so you can check that out. And a lot of construction is going on in my house right now, so this is the reason I am very late with uploading the Sassy Sari series. I'm not uploading daily, and I'm just thinking to upload it twice a week, so it's easy because there's a lot of mess in my house right now. So I have these 2 pouches that I got from Mr. DIY store. I'll be putting my hard disk in one pouch and also some connectors. So I've put my connectors and hard disk in this, and then I'll put my charger in this one. So this is my MacBook charger. I put this inside it. Then I have my AirPod Max and and these are in black color. They're so good. They have such nice noise cancellation, so when you're like editing, it will help you a lot. So then I have this sanitizer and moisturizer bottle. So basically I got these two cute mini bottles from DIY store, and these are the two things which are really important while I'm working. Then I have one pen and a diary. So this is such a cute Oreo diary that my sister-in-law gave me. It is so pretty. I love it. A pen. So then I have my glasses, and look at them. I got them from Lenskart, and these are Tokai lenses. They look so cute. They're also pink. I don't know why. I'm just obsessing over pink, but they were actually selected by my husband, and I generally like more of those black glasses with those rectangular frames and structures. But yeah, I have this one, so I usually keep this for my laptop bag, and I have another pair of that black rectangular one that I generally wear because these are Tokai lenses. You can wear them even in the sunlight or when you're watching TV, and also I generally keep those very handy. Then I have cleaner and one clothes. I don't really have a dedicated electronic cleaner. I use my lens cleaner only, and it does pretty much good job. So yeah, I'll just put this belt in the front because I don't want it to get lost, and I don't really have anything as such to keep in the front portion of the bag. So yeah, I think that's pretty much of my packed laptop bag with my laptop, AirPod, diary, my some sanitizers, and here I have my hard disk, charger and mouse. So yeah, that's pretty much of what's in my laptop bag. And yeah, this looks nice and it fits everything, so you can also check out Van Heusen laptop bags. So that's pretty much of what's in my laptop bag. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of fashion, styling and food related videos on my channel, so stay tuned. Love you guys, and do let me know in the comment section what next videos you guys want to watch. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you.